How to back up game data you need for speed. If you don't want to lose your progress, here is how to back up your Need for Speed game data right on your phone. Open your Need for Speed application. From the main screen, you have to tap onto the settings icon from the top right corner. Then you have to tap on Cloud Save Management. Click on Upload Save Data and click on Upload. Once linked, the game will automatically sync and progress to the cloud, so you can restore it anytime. You might see a progress synced, manage or cloud icon. That means your data is backed up. And that's how you back up your Need for Speed game data on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.